Hey guys, welcome back to World Mechanics. Our mission here at the garage, guys, is to save you as much money as we can. That's why we make these absolutely free videos. Let's go ahead and start on it now. Today we're working on a Chevy Cruze and we're going to show you how to replace the brake light and the turn signal light bulb on a Chevy Cruze, or if you need to replace the whole assembly. So what you need to do right there, there is two caps. You need to open them with a flathead screwdriver, like that. And underneath it there is two screws that you need to remove with a Phillips screwdriver, right there. So we need to take these two screws off all the way completely. Okay, we took the screws off and now you need to grab it with both hands firmly and pull and shake it a little bit because it gets really tight there. Okay, like that. As you can see, that's what's holding it. These two right here, they go in the rubber bushings right there. So now if you need to remove the brake light bulb, if you need to replace it, you go about 30 degrees to the left, counterclockwise. And this is the bulb right here. You just pull it out and replace it if you need to. This one is 3057K number, if you need it. And you just install the new bulb and go in the slots and go to the right now. So for the turn signal, it's the one on the bottom of it, right there. Again, 30 degrees counterclockwise, and this is the bulb right there if you need to replace it again. And you just put it back on the same way we took it apart. And this one right there in the corner, next one is for reverse light. Same procedure again, like that. You just pull it out of there, out of the slot, put the new one in. If you need to replace the whole tail light, you just unscrew all the bulbs and you just pull it out and put the new tail light. Okay, and now you just put it back together the same way we took it apart. You need to make sure that it goes there in the glides and you just push it in until it kind of like clicks. You're going to hear it. Okay, and you install the two screws. Hopefully guys the video was helpful. Please do not forget to comment, like, subscribe. That way we can keep making these absolutely free videos. Guys, we have more than 19,000 free repair videos on our YouTube channels that can, guys, save you thousands of dollars in future repairs. Check them out. Thank you guys for watching and see you next time.